Well, I promise her I'll take good care of her. I'll provide all her needs and form one big happy family.
Human as we are, we tend to be selfish. But then in married life, you tend to forget yourself. Kaya nga naman, is because what is the good for the partner must be the priority.
To love you with all my heart and to be faithful to you always till the end of my life. I love you, Lord.
Well, did you come here of your own free will to wed yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Beverly, today I choose you to be my partner in life. I promise to love you, respect you, and stand by your side through every season. I vow to support your dreams, share in your joys, and comfort you in times of need.
I promise to be a faithful wife and a loving wife also. And I love you forever. I love you more than anything in this world. My partner, my soulmate, my best friend. I will never forget the day we met. It was like Cupid who brought us to be together.
What's the deal? I lose half my head when the love gets real. Fall twice as far when they break my heart, and I just can't make it stop. And you're all Mrs. Cool, nothing bothers you. Guess some hearts don't bruise, wish I was like that too. But you're right as rain while I'm sad and blue, and I don't know what to do. you. I'll change my color with the swing of a mood, but you're so black and white I never know what to do.
I will be faithful, patient, and kind, always striving to grow with you in love. You are my best friend, and I feel so lucky to spend my life with you. From this day forward, I gave you my heart and promise to love you forever.
Well, you're all missing school, nothing bothers you. Get some hearts don't bruise, wish I was like that too. But you're right as rain while I'm sad and blue, and I don't know what to do.
I am blessed to call you mine, and I vow to choose you every day. I will love you now and forever.
Those who are more than willing to give themselves for this wonderful sacrament, the sacrament of marriage.
Wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty. In the name of the Father, of the Son, and the Holy Spirit.